Ugh. What the is this? That's different. Ooh, oh, wow. What is that? That's weird. That's really weird. The price for the weirdest pizza for me. Guys, I'm in Bali, Indonesia right now. I'm going to order a couple of strangest pizzas that I've ever heard of. Stick to it. Let's see what kind of stuff we can order, and yeah, let's go into the laptop. Go with normal pizza style first. Frankfurter barbecue, Frankfurt sausage. Oh, this is in Indonesian. Beef chincang. What is chincang? Chopped with honey barbecue sauce and mustard. Let's definitely get that. Add to the list. So what else do we have here? They even have Oriental chicken rice in Pizza Hut. Okay, this is very unusual for pizzas. Chicken lover, chicken sausage, chicken smoked chicken meat, stick chicken, whatever stick chicken. What is stick chicken? You get like a satay of chicken, and okay, that's wild. Guys, let's check out Domino's now. So, Domino's have some more weird pizzas, eh?
Yeah.
American Pie Super Meaty Bolognese, American Pie Super... Wow, I need to try this. So what else? Cheesy Meatball Blast, Extravaganza Grilled Double Beef... Wow, that sounds interesting. Double Beef Burger Pizza.
It's like burger.
That looks already like a burger, look at that. I think we should go with one more, if we find something crazy. Okay, ordered guys. Let's wait for it. Oh, pizza's there. Guys, let's check it out. Yeah! First of all, if you order any kind of food in Indonesia, fast food, what you will get is a whole bunch of ketchup and chili sauce in this small pack. I don't know what to do with all this stuff. Let's start with the first pizza, guys. I don't even know which one this is, but this is from Pizza Hut. Ooh, that's the Frankfurter barbecue. You see they have like some kind of sausage there. There's like sausage and some pieces of other meat. Tastes like sausage. Chopped sausage. Pizza size, of course, always very small. This is a regular size. Let's dig in. This sausage looks strange, eh? The dough is also like really thick. Look at this. On top is like in a hot dog. It's like you have mustard, you have ketchup. Dig in, right? Honestly, it's a little bit weird, but it's kind of good. It tastes like a hot dog. You want to try it?
Okay.
It tastes like a hot dog. It's not bad. A little bit strange though. Yeah? Yeah, no? I'm impressed. I would never thought that a hot dog pizza would taste good. From 1 out of 10, 7.5. 7.5.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, no? Let's go to the next one, guys. Second one, Pizza Hut. Ooh, what do we have here? That's the chicken lover pizza with the tree in the middle. This pizza basically contains chicken pieces, chicken stick, whatever they said, and also chicken sausage. So it's kind of really pizza lover. Let's go in for one. Chicken lovers pizza. No taste. Tastes just a little bit like tomato sauce. Maybe we need to try with spicy ketchup. I'm not so impressed, to be honest. It just tastes like bread. You want to try? No?
Don't look good.
Okay. Out of 10, I would say the chicken pizza, 5. 5 out of 10.
That's what I'm thinking.
It's not too bad, you know, it can fill you. Okay guys, now we're switching brand. Now we're going over to Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza, the box even smaller. What is this? What is this? Should this be the cheeseburger pizza? Oh yeah, here. Yeah, beef burger pizza. Look at this guy. This doesn't look good at all, and it doesn't look like in the picture at all. Remember, the picture looks like a cheeseburger.
Oh yeah, it looks a big one.
Here's like 5 pieces of meat. Let's hop in. Ooh, but that's nice. Really thin crust. I like thin crust. Sorry, guys. Ugh. 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 The meat tastes like canned meat. Ugh. The sauce is nice, and the thinness I like. But the meat, ugh. Ugh. No, let's go to the next one. That's a tree, guys. Sorry, that's a tree. Okay, guys, directly up to the next one. Here we have, what the f is this? Looks like somebody vomited on my pizza. Can we call them? Maybe somebody had an accident here. What is it? The beef jerky pizza. Yeah, let's go for it. I mean, I show you how it looked like on the webpage. Okay, here, and this is what I got. Let's dig into it. Oh wow! What is that? Complete different taste. There's also no tomato juice. There's like weird burnt barbecue sauce under it. I'm starting to like it.
Can I try?
Try. What do you think? You as an Indonesian, do you like it? Yeah? It's very peppery also, right? Strange. Guys, next one. And now comes something that I've never seen before. Okay, I haven't never seen this stuff here also before, but this one, the next one will be insane. I'm getting full already. Wow. Guys, look at this. What is this? It all looks so different than in the pictures. It looks like they took a pizza, they made a pizza, and then they put the inner part of another pizza and just pop it on top. Look guys, look like a sandwich. So this is the pizza bolognese pie, right? So it's a bolognese pie as a pizza. Okay, let's hop in, right? Oh, that's different. Ooh, it's even spicy. Ooh, look at inside, guys. That's like a lot of mayonnaise and ketchup and all mixed together. That's weird. That's really weird, but it's not that bad to be honest.
We like mayonnaise.
It's not that bad. Very unhealthy. A little bit spicy. I mean, okay. Tissue.
What is tissue?
For me, it's a 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, honestly, it's a 7.5 out of 10. Okay guys, I want to be honest, none of these pizzas made it in the top 3. So none of these pizza is 8, 9 or 10. But it is not that bad that I thought first. And on the other hand, we need to look at the final result. The worst pizza for me here is luckily one from Domino's and one from Pizza Hut. The chicken lover from Pizza Hut, it just doesn't really have any taste and the chicken sausage is not really good. Domino's is definitely for me the beef burger pizza because I don't know what kind of meat this is and it doesn't look at all like in the pizza picture. The price for the weirdest pizza for me goes definitely to, ta-da, Domino's beef jerky pizza with barbecue sauce, topped with some random colorful sauce, and I don't know what vegetable this should be. I think piece of paprika. Very interesting taste, very different, just nothing in the usual. Doesn't even really taste like beef jerky, it's just like burnt barbecue. It's not that bad to be honest, but it's, yeah, just very strange. And the first place today is a split up. I think it's really great that we have one from Domino's and one from Pizza Hut. So the first place for me is definitely split between the Pizza Hut Frankfurter barbecue pizza, where we have sausage and mustard and all kinds of stuff. It tastes like a real hot dog. It's insane. The other first place from Domino's Pizzas, ta-da, the Bolognese pie pizza, which is basically a pizza baked with another pizza, and inside you have creamy mustard mayonnaise and some, you know, Bolognese type of meat stuff inside. Welcome. Good winners, good winners. You, I don't know what to do with you. You guys, you are going to our neighbors. Let's go give them some food for tonight. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment. What is the weirdest pizza that you have ever eaten? Yeah, let me know in the comments and have a great day. Bye and check it out.